sweet. What is wrong with that? So, no, I'm the lazy one. Supporting me doing what? See, you have to send her away. And I'm not done with your phone.
Come back here. So you were listening to our conversation?
Shalom!
You're listening to our conversation, Abby?
I'm just coming in, no. I don't hear anything.
You are just coming in, but I met you here.
This is my own apartment. I'm entering now. So
Oyiko, I saw you here.
I don't know what's going to happen. I might want to quarrel with you. Going to easy every time you quarrel. What is it, Seth? The other day, quarrel, do not sleep. Quarrel. What is happening again now?
See, Oyiko, see, I'm tired. My boyfriend is stressing me. He's stressing me.
He's stressing you how?
I've asked him to send the younger sister away, but he wouldn't just listen to me. I don't know what is his problem. Can you imagine? I'm the only one that wash, clean, cook, do everything in this house. The kid does not do anything at all. She will just sit and be waiting for me to bring food for her. And even when she eat the food, she will tell me, it's not sweet. Can you imagine? Am I her mate?
See, this life, Najeje. But I want to ask, is he boyfriend and girlfriend part two?
Yes, now.
You're not married. You're not married and you're telling your husband or your boyfriend or whoever he is to send his sister away.
Oyiko, the girl is stressing me. She's stressing me. She should just leave the house for me, Joe.
She leave the house for you. So if the mother comes to, the mother will leave the house for you. See, now this one will go tell them for her house. Say, now good girl you be. So you be coming down.
See, that's not all. That's not all.
It's not all again. What again?
Oyiko, do you know that I went through my boyfriend's phone yesterday, Oyiko? I cried throughout yesterday night. You need to see what I was seeing in his phone, Oyiko, the conversations. Man! Oyiko.
Well, this part now, I'm not on your side and I'm not on his side. So let me tell you, even me, I know they try. Never in your life open your boyfriend's phone. Me, I don't open my girlfriend's phone. Because if you do, open your boyfriend's phone, as you are checking it, now you say you are crying. As you are opening it, just like you are opening onions, you are tearing onions. The thing is entering your eyes and you will cry and cry and cry. It is not good though. Just come on. See, that's why I say all this quarrel said, all this thing you said now, it does not even cause for quarrel.
But me, I'm not like that too. My phone is not like that. I'm not like that.
I saw what they talk, I saw they talk. Shalom. But see, I will tell you, based on who I am, Oyiko, the chief advisor. Now, you are going after me. Is it the quarrel that is pushing you?
I want to go and cool off my head. Like.
You are going to cool off your head.
Yes.
If you are coming back, you know your boyfriend now. You know what he likes, you know the drinks he likes. Just buy. Hey, honey, boyfriend, I'm sorry for. Okay, your sister should stay. Now, this is the part you now bring the rules and regulation.
You be mumu.
Yes, you see, your sister stays in this house, no problem. She's my sister, my in-law. Let her be washing, you'll be cooking. Let you be cleaning, she'll be doing this one. So you share the work.
Mumu man.
You understand? When you share the work now, everything will go well. You now live peacefully. It's not you only doing everything now. He has to love the two of you.
Abi, you have a point too. You have a point.
You see what I'm saying now? You don't need for quarrel. Now they quarrel. Quarrel not good.
I think I'll try this out.
You try me?
Yeah.
Shala.
Oyiko, you are too much.
This is the part you hate me now.
Oyiko, my man.
No. Oyiko, the chief advisor.
Oyiko, the chief advisor.
Correct. Yes.
Special advisor.
Oh, boss baby.
Alright, now let me just go out.
But this advice is not free. We invite you to come to me.
Oh, no problem. I'll get you something.
Mumu man.
Osaro.
Oyiko.
She don't tell where she come on now. Which I can't the. No, not tell her for quarrel. Ha. All of them need these flats. The other night, bag, beach. What's happen? When they calm down, no. Osaro.
Oyiko, that girl don't tire me. You don't go understand. That girl don't tire me. I swear. One day, I could come out with it.
Now, Oma, you won't come out it. Never reach like that, oh. Never reach.
If I tell you that girl they do me for this house, Oyiko. If I tell you what that girl they do me for this house.
Okay, calm down. Calm down. The way I say, you never reach that level. See, before I go begin to say, get they do you something or get they do you something. If you dey date girl and the girl call you to panel for your own house, say, Osaro, sit down. What is this that you did? What is this you have done? And what is this you have done yet?
Mumu man.
You hear that English? Dead. That means una quarrel don't enter on that level. But right now, man, you never reach that level now. What did she call to you? Your sister this, your sister that. Now, much understanding be something.
Oyiko, you no go understand. Okay, man, play the tape. How man like me go keep wallet for house? I go come back. They don't remove one sleep. They don't remove two sleep. Imagine the other day, I enter bus. I reach bus stop. Open wallet, come on money. I don't see money inside again. Yeah! Conductor won't finish me. Yeah! If now you did my shoes, what you go do, Oyiko? I don't know if you accuse anybody. My sister did there. She did there. But now on the walls pass. Eh?
This one, I they say wala be like bicycle. You know they hardly start. Your sister did the house. Your girlfriend did the house. Who won't accuse now? But I go tell you something. Based on who I be, Oyiko, the chief advisor,
Mumu man.
I advise what you go do. Buy condom, open up, put milk inside, small, tie am, put for your wallet. You catch the thief.
I buy condom.
Condom.
Open am, pull milk, put am for my wallet. I'll catch the thief.
Finish. Simple.
Forget. No worry, thank you.
You know what catch it?
Oh God, thank you, no worry. So the Oyiko, you know things. Now this one I dey tell make I do. Make I buy condom, pull. Thank you.
You don't catch the person.
Thank you, Oyiko.
See, free advice what I give now.
Oyiko talk another thing.
Don't let that way if you take cash person they do.
Oyiko talk another thing. No, I don't know if you do that one.
You know if you do one.
I dey tell you.
The chief advisor don't talk. Now only wait till I tell you that because you know if you put gum, no if you put anything. Try to do that one.
Oyiko forget that one.
I don't truck sha. Me I dey go my house because as I hear now the wish back, I have to come. I don't go chop. Hungry the cash me. Now cook.
Oyiko bye bye.
Now me oh.
Oyiko bye bye.
Where they go?
They watch film, they disturb me.
I no cook.
Oyiko bye bye.
Your sister no. Try that what I tell you. Our chief advisor they talk. I no go bring down our house one day.
What are you telling me?
Chino, I have to
saying?
follow Oyiko's step. Oyiko said I should buy drink and please you. What look at you?
Oyiko,
Yes,
Oyiko
now.
told you that. And
told
Oyiko
me
told you to
that.
put that inside my wallet. The thing you saw what?
Oyiko.
It's short said. I'm really
I with my eyes.
so it's not real. Oyiko can read. Oyiko can.
Oyiko, at the enter house now. I don't go call Oyiko.
Thank God.
You can Oyiko,
Come back here.
come back, finish what you started.
Come back here, Oyiko.
I just came back.
Oyiko, come and finish
Oyiko,
what you started.
just stand here, okay? Oyiko, do you know I followed your advice?
Oh God, Oyiko the advisor.
Okay? I did everything you asked me to do.
Bam.
So guess what I found out? Guess what, Oyiko?
I want to know now.
Oyiko, I discovered that this man is cheating on me. My boyfriend is cheating on me, Oyiko.
After the sweet romance things you want to do with him.
Man, I told you earlier.
That's it, man.
Oyiko.
But how do you find out now?
Oyiko. Hey God, men will always be men. Do you know what I found in my boyfriend's wallet? A used condom.
Bad dog!
How would you explain that?
Oyiko, explain it.
I want to explain it. I mean, you
Oyiko, explain now.
so now why you do like this now?
Oyiko, answer her.
Now this
Oyiko, answer her.
Ma ask you first. Why you go put use condom for your wallet now? Why now? Why you put use condom for your wallet?
Oyiko.
Yes now. If you finish now, you go try. Oh, na two do am.
What kind of nonsense? I'm telling you that it's cheating on me.
What be she you do?
Oyiko.
What did you use condom? You gonna call my name? What did you use condom for your wallet?
Tell her now.
Tell him
okay? Are you alright?
You see me?
I'm seeing crazy. Please subscribe. Subscribe. We beg you. Thank you. God bless you. God bless you. Please subscribe. Please. Man, the damn devil. I'm gonna say that joke. Please subscribe. Turn on your notification post. Subscribe. Ah! We are not let comedy tire house. Thank you.